Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the BSP D8 with the BSP D9 and what are the main differences between these two. So when we are going to look here on some data, what we can find is that, let me just show you right here. So you are going to have for both the working power supply 400, then also both are for Bluetooth connection, and both are like supporting the Android and things like that. You're gonna have 213 to 266, 99 to 106, and 47 to 65. So therefore you need to know that D9 is bigger comparing to D8. So this is another thing. Also, when we are going to look here, what we can find is that both are offering the iOS, Android, Windows, Steam, Switch, PS, and things like that. So that's good. Android, iOS, PS4, PS4, Switch, PC. These are like the supported platforms written here. So this is also pretty good for both. And then so when we can look even further, we see that they're like both gamepads. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.